Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to replace a damaged cleanout cap after it's been clipped by a lawnmower. Replacing just the cap is a lot easier than the entire housing. As you can see, if you still have a portion of the cap remaining, you can typically remove it with a pair of pliers. I'm going to go ahead and cut this portion off just to show how to replace the cap even when the entire raised platform has been removed. It's important to replace these caps when they get damaged, as the openings allow for foreign objects to enter your drain, or even unwanted visitors such as squirrels and snakes. When removing a cleanout cap that no longer has the elevated platform, start by getting a pair of vice grips and grabbing onto the cap. From here, you can rotate the cap counterclockwise until it's loose enough to remove by hand. Once you have completely removed the damaged cap, go ahead and get the new one and install it by rotating it clockwise by hand. Rotate it clockwise as far as you can go, and then grab a pair of pliers and tighten it down a little bit further until it comes to a nice snug stop. Congratulations, your new cleanout cap has been installed and your work here is complete. Well done. See you next time.